Runner-up for male category is candidate number 2. Okay? Ulitin ko po. Ang third runner-up for male category is candidate number 2. Okay. So, we will take responsibility on this po, no? So, meron lang pong mga typo-typo. Opo. Okay, let's proceed to the second runner-up. Our second runner-up for male category is candidate number 1. Okay. Our second runner-up for female category is candidate number 5. Okay, we are down to our last 3 major titles. The first runner-up, the Mr. and Miss Intramurals and the Mr. and Miss BCI. To award the plaque to our first runner-up male category, may I request Judge Yul